Now our icons are fine. We don't really need to mess with it anymore, but I wanted to demonstrate the thought process for making these a bit more scalable so we can use the same kind of styling in other places. So what happens if we want to double the size of these? Well, we can go into size and change this to 50. And if we did that and refreshed, you'd see that we have it double sized, but the icons are the same size. So wouldn't it be kind of cool if we could make the font sizes relative to the size of the ultimate circle? Well, I think we can do that. And let's say we're back at our basic size, so 25 pixels wide, and our font size is going to be 16 pixels. Well, we can set the font size to a ratio of size. So let's do a quick calculation. We'll do 16 divided by 25, so that's 0.64. So we could set the font size to 0.64 times size. Okay, so we would have this, but let's put it in parentheses so we can take the value of that, and then let's run that through px to rem. Okay, if we save that and refresh, we get a good size. And if we change the size here now to 50 and refresh it in the browser, our font sizes would shift in relation to the size of the icon. So we can make this even bigger, say 200 and refreshed. So not bad. Now we could take this and create a function so we can generate circle icons in other situations as well. For now, we don't really need that feature, so we'll just put it in our back pocket. But this at least demonstrates to us how we can generalize this to make it more flexible for future uses. All right, let's bump this back down to its original size.